If you are owning the hair salon or the hair merchant and you want to import the luxury Vietnamese hair to your hair business, but you are not really sure what is Vietnamese hair, and in this video I want to show you all the secrets about this Vietnamese hair, but not many other company out there will show you. In this video, I want to show you first the origin of Vietnamese hair, second the texture of Vietnamese hair, how long does it take, and the last but not least, how other people judge about Vietnamese hair. So if you want to know, make sure that you keep on watching. Vietnamese hair is cut from young women in the highlands of Vietnam. If you are a professional in the field of hair, the first thing you will care about will probably the source of the hair that you are about to buy for your store or your customers. Actually, only young women with the good health and having a good hair quality from 19 to 25 women can donate the hair to our factory. The reason why the factory chose the women in the highlands is because in the highlands of Vietnam, it has the temperate climate all year round. There's no much sunshine, so their hair will be not damaged and affected by the sunshine. So in terms of the origin of hair, Vietnamese can be considered as the most luxurious hair on the planet. Another important thing, the women in the highlands, they take care of the hair really great, and they always use the natural nutrition such as some herbs, pomelo shampoo to wash their hair instead of using any chemical shampoos. Based on the standard of the Ministry of Industry and Trade in Vietnam, to export hair to foreign countries, we always follow its regulations, the staff for hair collecting and hair production. So no worries, your hair can keep flexible and lush for at least 3 years. So you can store your hair in the storage for a long time without fear of your hair will be damaged. In addition, we also provide you with the natural oils and the hair sprays are used in our factory, so that will help you a lot during the taking care of your hair process. The nature of Vietnamese hair is soft, straight, and silky hair. The nature of Vietnamese hair is shiny and smooth without any other effects. You will be astonished even the first time you purchase the Vietnamese hair. Our factory also supply other types of hair and texture. All the types of hair are the most trendy types in Nigeria, in the UK, or in the US. For example, this is the bond straight hair. This is the Burmese hair. The deep wavy and the body wavy also one of the best sellers. We have so many other types of hair and color that you can find it in my Instagram page here. The number of customers who give the good feedbacks to our Vietnamese hair is almost 90%, and they even came to our factory to buy in bulk, as you can see here. You can check out the videos below. Feedbacks from our old customer is the most honest description of Vietnamese hair and also the sincere advice for you whether to choose raw Vietnamese hair or not. I hope that after this video, you will have the clear viewpoint about the Vietnamese hair. So if you have any other question, please contact me via WhatsApp. I will answer you immediately. Thank you so much for watching.